Special greetings, my dear students. Today we are going to just revise MS Word. So how we will open MS Word? If we want to open MS Word, there are three methods. First method, start. So here we may go to the W, Word. Okay, we may go to the W. So Word is there. This is a method number 1. Okay, this is a first method. And second method is just click on start. Here you can able to see the search box. In this place just type word, W-O-R-D. Now it appeared, just one enter. So MS Word is opened. This is a method number 2. And third method, just start. Okay, here start button is there, sorry, window button and R, keyboard shortcut. Just type it here. Type win word. When we type win word and when we press OK. So these are the three methods available to open MS Word. Now MS Word is opened. Okay, MS Word is opened. If you see here, my dear students, default name for this document is what? Document 1. If I insert new file, okay, new, blank document. Now default name is document 2. If I insert again, document 3, again, document 4. So default name for the Word is document 1, document 2, document 3 and document 4. Okay, these all are the default names available in MS Word. Okay, after this is a title bar. After title bar, this is a menu bar. Menu bar contains a what? Menu tab, home tab, insert tab, design tab, layout tab, reference, mailing, review and view, Grammarly. This all of the tabs are having, it means in this all tabs are available in menu bar. In each menu tab, okay, in each menu tab, ribbon, okay, this is a ribbon. So this area is called what? Ribbon. Example. So this is a ribbon. So this area, okay, from here to this area is called what? Ribbon. Now if you see the ribbon, each tab contains different ribbon. Okay, each tab consists of different ribbon. Example, in a home tab, in ribbon consists of different option. In design tab, it consists of different option. Understanding? Now, in each tab, we are having ribbon and each ribbon consists of the groups. Example, kindly see here, clipboard group, font group, paragraph group, styles group, editing groups. This all of the groups are available in where? MS Word. This all of the groups are available in MS Word. Okay. Okay, now this all things are over. Now this is the basic things over. Now I am just typing something I type. So I am typing welcome to LFS GIDA. So this is the text. Now the GIDA is there. So if the GIDA should come as a friend, just click and drag, moving the text. If I want at last, again click move here. If I want to cut, Control X is the shortcut, cut it, and here Control V, paste it. Understanding? So this is the moving text. If you want to copy, you may copy. Understanding? So this is the basic structure of the MS Word. Now my dear students, if you see in each option, here ribbon in a home tab, only this all are the options. Sir, I want more options. If you are feeling in a font, I want more option. Can you able to see here this one? Just one click. Now dialog box appeared. In this place, you may get more options. If I click here, we will get more options. Okay. Now, what is the shortcut to close the Word document? Alt plus F4, of course, you may see, but Alt plus F4 is used to close the Word application. If you want to close a particular file, you should press Ctrl plus W. Now, see here kindly, Ctrl W. Particular document is closed, but MS Word is opened. Am I right? Document is closed, but MS Word is open. If you want new, Ctrl plus N. If you want to close this, Ctrl plus W. Over. Understanding? So this is the shortcut. This is the shortcut. Okay, my dear. After this, now I want to save the document with the password. How we can save? Now, file is there. Now save. So choose the location. I am choosing the desktop. So file name I am giving welcome only. Now here is a tool. Am I right? Just click the tool and there is a general option. Select it and password to open. I am typing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Password to modify reverse order 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. Password to open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and again password to modify 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And press save. Now when you press the save, this is the document I stored in where? Desktop. Am I right? Now I am closing. I close this document. Now welcome document is available. Just double click. When I am clicking, what it is asking? Enter the password to open. What is the password? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am typing some other thing. And what is coming? The password is incorrect. Word cannot open the document. Okay. Now we cannot able to open the document. If you want to open the document, you should type the correct password. So just double click. When I double click, now it is asking password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enter. So welcome is reserved by Vivek K. Means now it is password is okay. Now to modify, if I am typing any wrong password and I press password is incorrect. So if you want read only, you may read it. So only this is the document. Only this is the thing I typed. So this is a password protected document. Okay, this is a password protected document. So these are the simple things working in MS Word. Now let's see few more things. My dear students, one thing is there. Very important. Okay, now I am typing here welcome to LFS GIDA. Now the welcome is that word I am making bold, italic and double underline, and font style I am giving different, and I am making the font size also bigger. I am changing the color into green, and if you want to give more effect, you may give. Now thing is what the format I made, I want to copy and I want to apply for the GIDA. So just select the word. Here format painter is there. Click the format painter. When I click, can you able to see? So now just select the particular word. Okay. After format painter is there, just one click. Okay. Just one click copied. Now paste. Okay. Now here I am going to paste. When I paste, what is happening? Okay. So when I paste, only the particular O is opened. Okay.